Moving to Nashville, Tennessee, but prefer to be in the suburbs in a community. Today we are in Westhaven, one of the coolest developments that I've seen in the Middle Tennessee area. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. All right, so I'm in Westhaven. Westhaven is located southwest of Nashville, so you're closer to the Franklin area. You're in Williamson County here, and this is just a very cool development. It used to be farmland out in this area, and they came in and built an entire development. You can see behind me here, the house that we're gonna go check out is right here, but these are connected here. So some of them have that townhome feel, and I'll show you down the street here as well. So, and some of them are standalone homes. So you have a little bit of everything here, but you have 2 swimming pools. You have a private golf club that you can join if you like. You just see people driving their golf carts down the street. I mean, very tight-knit community. You know, a lot of people know each other. They have events here. And you don't even really have to leave this area if you don't want to. They have a veterinarian right down the street. They have restaurants. They have a fire department right here. And it's just, they have everything you need that's just right here in the development. And so just a really cool place. Very unique development. So this one here, it's not new construction, but it's unique. I love the way that they build here. This one was built by Ford Classic Homes. I think Ford Classic Homes is my favorite builder in the area who does custom homes on a large level, at scale. And their attention to detail is great. The experience that I've had with my clients who use them always have a great experience. And this one here is built in 2020, so 3 years old. It's 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. It's listed just under 1.3 million, but a beautiful home, a beautiful location. There's several homes for sale in this neighborhood, and they're still building in this neighborhood as well. So if you like this area, if you like what you see and what you hear about this area, reach out to me, let me know. And I am Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. We're out here every single week looking for unique and custom properties. So subscribe if you like our content, hit that like button, bell, so you can stay ahead of what's happening here in Nashville, Tennessee. Hope you enjoy it. Can't wait to show you this house. And before we go in, I'm gonna put my phone number and email right here below. Call me, text me, book a one-on-one. I'm gonna put my Calendly link in the description. So can't wait to meet you. Would love to help you make a smooth transition from wherever you are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. Let's go check this house out. Comment below, let me know what you think about this home in Westhaven. Like I said, Ford Classic is one of my favorite builders in town. They do beautiful custom homes, and their attention to detail, the entire experience with them is great. And so just love Ford Classic homes. Keep an eye out on them. They are building developments all over town. So if you want to know more about that builder, let me know, and I can share more of the developments that they have going on right now that are brand new. But just love this home, very well built home. Hope you enjoyed it. As much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping you find your next home right here in Middle Tennessee. So whatever your budget is, reach out to us. Can't wait to meet you, and I'll see you next time on That Nashville Life. Later.